Okay, it's November 16th, 2022, and someone said that they've seen some changes on posting a job on LinkedIn. So I'm going to post a new job on LinkedIn for my company page, and I'm going to show you the process to put the job out there, to edit the job, and then to share the job with others. So let's go over here to my company page, and I'm going to click right here and start a post, and I'm going to click on the briefcase, share that I'm hiring. Now, I'm going to look for a banana farmer. Level 2, something new, Burriss Consulting, remote, out of the New York area, part-time. I'm going to hit next. Now I'm going to put my job description in here. Remember, when you put a job description in there, don't write a job description based on the way we wrote them in 1950. Write a job description as an advertisement, as a brochure, as an encouragement to learn more about your company, come work for your company. You're trying to sell this position to the right person. You're not going to, don't put out there a recipe for just an employee. Think a little differently than we were thinking in the 1950s, even in the 2000s. So I'm going to fill this in with a job description. There it is there. I could add screening questions if I want. You can add multiple screening questions. I'm not going to do that now. And then I could put the frame around my photo. I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to hit next. Now, there's my job. Now I can post this and say, you know, I'm hiring, but I'm going to just do testing. I'm going to be clear to tell people I'm testing here. All right, hit post. Now, it wants me to promote my job. This is where it wants me to pay. I'm going to hit no thank you. Now let's go look at the job. If I go view as member, go to jobs. There's the job, banana farmer level 2. Now if I click on that, I can see the job. I can see the job description, all the stuff that everybody else can see and then look at the job. Now here's what the next thing is. Let's go manage this job post. So now on this page, I can edit the job description, and it's a little bit vague for me to be able to edit it, but I can go over here to the pencil. It's going to take me into the LinkedIn talent system. It's going to ask you for your password again if you didn't already log in. And now I can edit the whole job, including all this text here, the job description, the skills. I'm not sure, how did you hear about the LinkedIn jobs? I don't know if that's for me or if that's for the candidate. I may need to look at that and see if it's for the candidate. But what used to be, this is one change I think just happened. There used to be an arrow right here that would go back to step 1 of 6. The arrow is now gone. Instead, we have the word back down here. So when we click back, now we can change the title, workplace, job type, employee location. We can change the company as well. But if you change the company, note this. The app is going to force you to verify that you work for that company. It's what you're going to have to give it your business email address. And when you enter in your business email address to the app, it's going to send a code to that email address. And you got to put that code into the screen, into the form here to validate you work for that company. This is how they keep people from creating jobs for companies they don't work for anymore. So I can adjust this, hit next. Again, I can edit the job description, etc. Hit next, go to step 3. I can, put screening questions if I want to. I can ask all the screening questions. I can say what email address I want these applicants to be sent to, so that either myself or someone else knows about them. Continue. Now it wants me to pay and promote it. I'm going to say no, I'm going to stay free. I'm going to say no thank you to the promotion. Now I can improve the post, look at it a little bit more, suggest LinkedIn skill assessment, add compensation information. I can select benefit if I want to and turn that all on. This is step 5 of 6. Hit finish. And then there's my job for me to look at and review again. If I see a problem, I want to make a change, then I can hit the pencil and edit again. And at this point, I'm done. If I go back to the company page, if I go to view as member, jobs, and there's a job, Banana Farmer Level 2. This is the basics of entering and creating a free job on LinkedIn through your company page. And by the way, no matter where you create a job entry, if you do it from the home page and you click start and share that you're hiring, you have to pick which company you are creating that job post for. You can create the job, again, from the home page of LinkedIn or from your LinkedIn company page. Hey, I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope that's useful for you. By the way, one more quick tip. You can only have one free job at a time on LinkedIn.